Kasi entrepreneurship is like driving a car with no brakes. So the J curve of survival is something I also deeply appreciate. Um, so itong J curve na to, so all it means is that there's gonna be at the beginning the trigger initial investment. No, whenever you transition or whenever you make the bold decision to invest in something, you have to. So let's say no, you've already made the decision to invest, and now you invest. Then you have to be aware that it won't be a straight line. No, it won't be exactly this curve either, but this is a general track of every business that before you hit the break even, which you'll see with that blue line, um, before you get there, you have to have the patience to make it past the uh, pit of despair. So from trigger of initial investment to pit and despair to needs fulfilled or wants pursued, which is the break-even point. Now, the reason na I'm talking about this first phase is your journey, and this is something I see for people that are like me. No, for example, I've been at age 16. I was homeless, and I've survived on my own from the beginning. So I've built through the years a psyche that is always hungry, always parang always pushing. But what that meant was that through those years, from age 16 to age 20, actually age 32, so half my life by that point, I built a psyche or a way of being that was um, based on the first phase, which is from trigger of initial investment all the way to break even. Now the problem then was that nobody tells me to stop, or nobody taught me to stop, to calm down, to now that you're at a break even point, to take things easy.